And now we'll start SQL injection. So I have shared this link already with you all, so you guys can do your practice. Okay. So first thing is we'll do HTML injection in blog. Okay. So that is this is your page. An HTML injection is basically if you have in the application, in your application, then it is a vulnerable. Why? Because it can provide the attacker a facility to inject some JavaScript payload, as well as they can also deface your application UI. So basically that is something, so they have to put the input validation in place in order to prevent this vulnerability. So here also we have the same kind of vulnerability like we have just experienced in yesterday session. Cross-site scripting, we have experience is stored one and reflected one. So here also we have reflected one and the stored one as well. So here we will just go through a very basic tag of the HTML. Okay. Blog is saved. So here we can see we have just added one HTML tag heading. We have h1 heading tag. So you can see whatever the values I have put it over here, it is reflecting like that only. So like suppose if I inject any malicious code here, and when it is getting stored in the database, and whatever the values we are providing over here, hello world, it is reflecting over here as it is. So like suppose an attacker, they have injected a malicious code and it is getting stored here. So by the time when the next user is login and they just submit their blog, then what happened? Because of the previous inject script or malicious code, the attacker can get all the other sensitive details, whatever is stored in the database, right? So that is something we can say HTML injection. So because of that, the attacker can steal the sensitive information, right? So how we can prevent it? Just sanitize the user input, use a function called HTML SPECIAL special characters CHARS. So this is a special character uh, which basically if you use this function, so which basically provide you the input validation or sanitize the user input. So it won't allow attacker to inject any script in terms of this open and close tag, right? Because if we talk about JavaScript also, we have just, sorry, Control Z. Okay, yeah. In the last class, we have learned about this script, JavaScript, very basic JavaScript tag. Okay. Script alert, ALERT. Okay.